I would like to share a memory that is very close to my heart, and you guys can even name it an achievement. And 3 to 4 years back, the achievement or the to whom the the achievement that is very close to my heart is the time when I gave a gift to my mother with my own self earning. And the other thing I used to do on the Eid occasion, I used to give Eid to my mother, my sister, even to my khala and my nano. And what I actually used to do, I give all the money to my nano and ask her to give that amount to each and everyone by her own hand. And in this year, on 16 August, I lost her, and it was a very great loss for me. But I had not any laptop for me, but she prayed a lot for me, and I managed to arrange a handsome amount of money to buy my own laptop. But in those days, I just lost her, and instead of buying a laptop, I used to spend that amount of money in some other noble causes for the peace of her soul. And I ask you all to pray for her for a place in heaven. Thank you so much, everyone. And I would like to encourage you all to spend a part of your earning or achievements with your dear ones, and it will give it will give you internal peace, and it will make your relationship even more stronger. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Everyone.